My fans asked me how far can the electric bike go. So I record this video and I'm going to find out how far can it go at its top speed. I will use this 48 voltage battery. The light shows green and it's fully charged. And its capacity is 13 Ah. Let's go and do the test. The driver, me, weight about 70 kilograms. And set the controller with no speed limit, P8. 100 represents no speed limit. And the motor is 1000 watt. The audio range is 29 kilometers. I choose this way and go straight ahead. That's a beautiful sky. I will try to maintain the top speed to test its range. Now, let's begin the test. Okay, let's move it. During the test, I will try to stay at the top speed of this electric bike. It says limit 30. Sorry, I go faster. Now I'm at this company. Did you know that? Now I'm bored. If you don't know, you might know this. Segway. Now we have gone 10 kilometers and the battery is 40% down. Also, it's very fast. Did you see? When I stop, the battery remains full. Now we have gone over 20 kilometers and the battery seems more than 50% left.
Years later.
After 36 kilometers top speed, my electric bike finally dead. The good news is we have completed the test, and the bad news, I'm just 36 kilometers from my home.